Ezio Auditore. Brave of you to stand alone against me, but also quite foolish. Assassin.
Have you ever thought how these games were built? When we play a game, we only see the magic, the worlds, the action, the characters. So let's talk about game development. Game development is taking an idea from your brain and creating something amazing, which is a collection of art, design, sound, and many more. Now the biggest question is, how do I start? Game development is not that easy. It feels overwhelming. But the truth is, anyone can make games, even if you're a complete beginner. In this video, I'll show you how to start building your first game. The first thing you need to build a game is a game engine. A game engine is basically a toolbox which gives tools to build your game. It has a place to write code, physics systems, collision detection, UI tools, asset management, and many more. Think of it as a workspace where games comes to life. The first game engine is Unity. It is an all-rounder. If you are a beginner, if you want to make 2D games and simple 3D games, Unity is your place. It is very flexible and beginner friendly. It has a huge community and many free assets. The second game engine is Godot, the lightweight one. If Unity feels too hard, then Godot is for you. Godot is easy, flexible, and beginner friendly. The Godot script is similar to Python. If you want to make 2D platformer games, then Godot is the best option. Godot is also easy to learn. The third game engine is Unreal Engine, the powerhouse. If you want to build an ultra-realistic open world game with cinematic visuals, Unreal Engine is perfect for you. You can build a game without coding, using blueprint system in Unreal Engine. Unreal is very powerful. It's very heavy on your system. Not ideal as your first step, but once you understand, it's incredible. Unreal Engine also contains a massive community and a massive pack of assets. Once you choose a game engine, build a game. Your first game is going to be bad, but just do it. Every game developer you admire started there. Now, the next part is learning the basics of programming. For example, if a player health is 0, then the game is over. Here is something every beginner should know. Every beginner should start with placeholder art or free assets. The most important thing in a game is the gameplay, not the graphics. The first mistake every beginner do is try to build a huge open worlds and multiplayer systems. That usually leads to frustration. So first try to build a small game. A simple platformer, a simple shooting mechanic, and an enemy AI. Each small project teaches you something new. Game development is learning by building, not just watching tutorials. The next part is avoid tutorial hell. It's when you keep watching tutorials but never actually build anything. You might feel like learning, but you are not gaining any real experience. The best way to learn game development is watch, try, build, fail, fix, and repeat. The next thing is joining communities. Game development can feel sometimes lonely. That's why joining communities feels very helpful. You can share your games, get feedbacks, and learn new things. Most important thing in game development is learning how to finish your game. There is a famous quote, "Art is never finished, it's only abandoned." Finish your small games, share with your friends, upload onto itch.io, get feedbacks, move on to next project. So the conclusion is, game development is difficult, but it is also one of the most rewarded job if you succeed. Start small, be consistent, and build games. If the video was helpful, Consider liking, subscribing, and share. If you're going to start your game development journey, tell me in the comments how you are going to start. Thanks for watching. To be continued.